The world is full of people. Almost 8 billion of them. And the lives of each and every one of them has an impact on our planet. From the cars we drive, the fossil fuels we burn, the cities we build, and the land we farm. But our development has come at a high cost to the planet. The question now is, can we reverse the damage that's being done? And can we restore habitats that have already been destroyed? Some of the world's most precious habitats are not on land, but are under the ocean. And now they too are under threat. Sometimes it's easy to see the environmental damage that's being done. But there's also damage that's harder to see. Remember the burning fossil fuels? Well, they cause greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gases cause global warming. They are a near-perfect underwater ecosystem that gives food and shelter to fish, sea urchins, turtles, and much more. Even the coral itself is alive. A reef is made of millions of tiny creatures called polyps, coated in a hard skeleton of calcium carbonate. As global temperatures rise, the seas are warming to levels that coral can't survive in. It dies. And the marine life that lives on it dies too. It's called coral bleaching, and it's happening all over the world. In 2017, it was discovered that 73% of the coral reefs in the Arabian Gulf had died. So the community decided to invest in a rehabilitation project on a vast scale, replanting over 1 million new coral reef colonies. Marine scientists took fragments of coral from the dying reefs and regrew them in sea nurseries. Once established, they were planted back into the old reefs, restoring the coral with new growth. Over time, the coral reefs will grow again and marine life will return. But there's one more thing restoring the reef will do. It will protect our coastline, because coral reefs also act as a barrier against ocean waves, shielding our beaches and safeguarding precious mangrove forests, and so protecting other habitats in turn. Using science to find ways to restore habitats like this is vital if we're to reverse the effects of environmental damage. The question is, can we do it quickly enough? And what other steps can we take to make meaningful change?
Thank you.